Hello folks, welcome back to the garage. First off, those of you that have subscribed to the channel, thank you very much for your continued support. If you're new here, I'll put a link to some other kit videos up in the top and maybe consider having a look at those and seeing what you think. Maybe join us on this little journey. Today I'm looking into a way of keeping yourself cooler in the warmer temperatures, and that is with cool covers, motorcycle seat covers. The product itself is made of a three-dimensional mesh made with nylon. It stands about 7mm in thickness, and when you've got it on the bike, air flows through the mesh, creating an air gap between the motorcycle seat and your backside. This not only reduces the temperature on your backside, but also, because the mesh doesn't compress, it stops any sore spots and therefore on a longer ride will reduce your fatigue. Cool covers are made here in the UK and they look after many bike manufacturers. I'll put a link down below to their website and have a look to see if your bike is covered. If it's not covered, don't panic, don't worry. Still contact them because they can make custom made seat covers. Costs: this one for the GS Rider seat was £65, and it was the same price actually for the Honda VFR 800X Cross Runners rider seat. You can get them for the pillion seat as well. They are individual, so if you don't want one but maybe your pillion does, there you go. There's possibly a little stocking filler for Christmas. Talking about Christmas in August. The way it attaches to your seat is simply through the way it's made. So it's shaped for the seat of your bike and then simply attaches with two Velcro straps. I'll show you how to attach it shortly. Two other advantages that this seat cover has is not only does it keep you cooler in the summer, because your seat also stops from getting hot if your bike's outside in the heat. Also, during rain, the water permeates straight the way through, which means when you get on your bike, you're not sitting on a soggy seat. Nobody likes a wet bum. Right, so let's get onto it and actually fit it. To fit the cover, all you do is remove your seat, lay the cover on a flat surface. For the demonstration, I'm just using it on the back of the bike here. Place your seat into the cover and you'll notice the cover actually fits snugly over the seat. Pull it nice and tight, like that. Then simply using the two Velcro straps, strap it on. Like so. That's the cover now attached. You simply replace the seat. And you're good to go. Simple.